Traders, tomorrow is NFP. In a few hours is NFP. I'm in Southern Africa, Johannesburg, in Alexandria, and it's currently 10 p.m. It's 5 to 11. It's basically 22:55 p.m. Basically, technically meaning it's 5 to 11 p.m. That clearly means we are approaching Friday. Today it's a Thursday, the 1st of August. So I want to make you guys understand that tomorrow is NFP. With that being said, I want to share with you guys what we might be anticipating, what we might be looking for, and what we might be hoping to put our money to work on. And I will be sharing on two pairs, which will be gold, which will be Nasdaq and gold, because you guys know that I've been trading Nas and gold for over 5 years. I understand how to trade gold and Nasdaq, in my opinion. I don't care what you think. You can keep your own opinion. I will stick to what I know and what I understand. But I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you had a wonderful day. And I still pray that you kept the discipline and the consistency. And I pray that you overcome all that you overcome to be who you're destined to be. But without further ado, let me not waste any time for you guys, and let me not waste my time because it's night. It's night now. I should be sleeping at this time. But I was like, let me sacrifice 2 hours of my time to record, edit, and upload so my COT Academy fam and my subscribers can get what they deserve so they can kill NFP. So you guys know that our all-time pay will forever be Nasdaq, right? So looking at our current price on Nas, you can clearly see that structure is clearly bearish, right? Price has been creating highs. Price has been creating lows and having violation of lows, creating a low, having a violation, creating a low, having a violation, creating a low, having a violation, creating a low with a violation. This low wasn't violated. So when you now see this, you now can get the picture that obviously we're in a lower low, lower high perspective for behavior, right? Price is creating lower lows and price is creating lower highs. So you guys understand that how we approach the markets, or how professional traders approach the markets, is very simple. It's never complicating and it's never hard for traders to understand, right? So now we understand that price is creating lows and violating those lows, creating new lows, right? So this low wasn't violated, right? And from price creating this low, price pushed and created this one, this high. So we now understand that price created a what? A current market price low and a current market price high, right? So now for us, in order for us to understand our possible direction of NFP tomorrow, all we now have to do is to just mark out this low and mark out this high, right? We now understand that, okay, price might be having a big move to the upside, like 700 pips, which is like 7,000 points, 3% move to the upside, right? But from here, it's basically like 150 and 100 to 160, right? Which is like a 0.84%, right? So NFP, guys, I need you guys to understand that this is not financial advice. This is in anticipation based on the experiences that we have been using and gathering in order for us to understand how possibly NFP moves, right? So we're using technical analysis until the number comes out tomorrow at 14:30 p.m., right? So this low wasn't violated, forgetting other lows that were violated, right? And this low is the reason why price created this current high, right? And a dip to the downside. So from NFP, I want to let you guys understand, if we can get a fail to break on our low, then I guess would have to be bearish, with an understanding that obviously price creating a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and a low, right? And a high and a low, not lower than the current low. With that being said, we have a possible reversal. We might anticipate a move to the upside. But at the same time, you guys need to understand that if this low that price is printing out doesn't violate this very same low that price is printed out, then we're having a fail to break off that low. We might look to be bullish, but if we get a break above, then you guys need to understand that our lower low, lower high behavior is still strong, and that's only can anticipate that move to the downside. So understand that a lot of things can happen tomorrow on NFP. But besides NFP, overnight, when we sleeping, your Asian session will pop up anytime soon. Your I think it's your Sydney will also pop up, right? So we might get volatility, or we might get some market movement from those sessions. But mind you, we're just using technical analysis to gather some information. So I repeat, price created this low and price created this high. Now on a low, waiting to see that this low is going to violate this low, looking for price to creating new lows. But if we can get a fail to break off this low, then we anticipate that we had a low and a high, and a low not lower than this current price low. Then we anticipate a possible reversal to the upside, and that's when it can look to be bullish during NFP. But like I say, a lot of things can happen, so you have to be patient and you have to be positive and let the markets play out and do what it shows you. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, let's hop on gold before we end the video. So gold will be very simple, because when we zoom in gold, you can tell how price is looking, right? You can tell that our current price is opposite from the NAS. This one is bullish, like we said on our Q3 outlook, right? On our Q3 insight, gold is looking bullish, right? Even on our hourly time frame, current price, we're looking bullish. So you can tell that price has been doing what? Creating highs and violating those highs, creating highs and violating those highs, creating highs and violating those highs, until we got to this high, and until we understood that this high was violated by this high. But we still are having a trade below the very same lows and the very same highs. So when you now see something like this, I need you guys to understand that the picture will be very simple on gold, right? Because now we had this push, because we had this push creating this high, and this push creating this low, and a push creating this high, and a push creating this low, push creating a high, push creating a low, push creating a high, push creating a low, push creating a high, and now price is trading below very same two highs. Now get the picture that obviously price is having a possible double top. So I will mark out this high and I will mark out this low. So when we now do this, you can tell that our range is like 20 pips. It's like 20 to 25. It's like 20 to 18 pips, right? We're having a 20 to 20. We're having a 18 to 20 pip range, right? So with this range, all we now have to look for with NFP is to see what a violation of this has, looking for possible new highs, or a violation of this lows, looking for possible direction of our new lows, because we now understand that price is in a consolidation or a range, or price is moving sideways on our current price. All we're now looking for is to see a break above those highs, anticipating new highs, or violation of those lows, and look for those new lows. And that's all that has to be. Like I spoke on the NAS, if we can get a violation of those lows, we continue below those lows and be bearish. But if we have a fail to break off those lows, then I guess we'd have to be bullish above those lows. Gold prices in a range consolidation. We're looking for two things: a break above or a break below, to see where we're going to put our money to work. If price doesn't give us a violation either to the upside nor the downside, then we have to wait and see what is going to happen. But without further ado, this is not financial advice. I'm sharing this with you guys so you can learn and understand and see what other traders might be anticipating for NFP on NAS and gold. But without further ado, hope you stay blessed by the best and I hope you win, and I hope you kill NFP. Remember to sign up with the broker that I highly recommend, so you can get your free bonus, and so you can be on the safe side, and so we can put you in our, so you can be added in our trading room, where we are going to be anticipating, talking, and analyzing and looking for possible direction on NFP, like I've already shared with you guys. But in the trading room, we are going to be using an hour before analysis, so we can understand and anticipate what might be happening. But these jams will forever be great jams, because they will be beneficial not only for now, but for the coming decades. But without further ado, it's your boy Harlan, COT, and I want to see you guys on our weekly outlook on weekend. Signing out.